how to put your seeds in the ground. That's it.
That's it.
All right, garden friends, welcome back. So today I am going to plant up some zucchini in that raised bed. If you saw my April garden tour, my 4x4 raised bed, I was like, I have no idea what I'm going to put in there, but I've decided that I'm going to grow some of my zucchini vertically. Okay, so I am going to pan down so that you guys can see. Y'all, sometimes it's so hard to try to get these angles, but look at this mess. Look at this. Like, what is this, y'all? I don't know. So this is where I plan to plant the zucchini plants. This is for other stuff. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I think I'm going to water this mess, and then I'm going to add in some like I said, I have some peat moss here, and I'll do like some long. Yo, why am I having such a hard time talking? I'm going to add in some granular fertilizer, and then I'll water them in with like a fish emulsion. All right, so I'll be back. I'll go ahead and add in how I'm doing this, and then if you want to see the long video of it, you can just check out the end of the video where I speed it up and you can see me planted. All right, guys, so I had to leave this part in a little bit slow because I wanted you to really see how dry and this soil was. So I had to water it a couple times. I watered the first layer, and then I mixed it in about 6 inches or so, and then I mixed it again. So here you can see the soil already for planting. It has the perlite in it, not perlite, it has the peat moss in it, the worm castings, the granular fertilizer, and now I am ready to plant the other zucchini plants. So I'm doing 2 zucchini plants here. Plan is to grow them vertically. Zucchinis are, oh my gosh, so good. My plan is to make some zucchini chips. I saw this fellow YouTuber who dehydrates food, and she made some zucchini chips, like garlic parmesan zucchini chips. And y'all, I was sold. Like, I said I need to put me some zucchini in the ground so that I can go ahead and make me some garlic parmesan zucchini chips. So you do the same thing. No, it's not. All right, guys, the next thing that I did here is I added in some onions. I kind of told you guys any and everywhere that I can, I'm going to add in onions. So these are some red onions. I like red onions mostly for raw eating, so I love to put onions in like my salsa. Like if I do like a burger, like I love to put red onions on my burgers. So I'm just tucking these in on the border of the zucchini plants. Once again, hoping that the smell of the onions will kind of keep away some of the other garden pests. You hear a lot of people talk about the vine borer with zucchini, and this is the second time I'm growing zucchini. The first, okay, so because I said that I'm going to grow the zucchini vertically, it's always a good idea with anything that you're going to stake. So like your tomatoes, your peppers, zucchini, watermelon, anything that you're going to stake, you want to go ahead and get those stakes or the cages in sooner than later. With putting them in this early, we decrease the risk of hurting any of the roots. So this is the best time to go ahead and add those stakes. So you can see this was a trellis that I used for my blackberries last year. It kind of like was a cage that went around them. But instead of doing it 6 feet high, I just broke it down, and you can see that the 2 of these are about 3 feet high. All right, y'all. I know this video was a little bit different, but I'm trying to see what appeals to you guys. I want you guys to get the most information from my videos, and I'm just so glad that you guys have watched to the end. So please go ahead and like the video, subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, guys. It helps the channel and it goes a long way. Let me know if you're going to be growing your zucchini vertically or if you're going to be growing them regular. Let them sprawl out. just put some seeds in the ground. See you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.